Everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first, please consider subscribing. It will really mean a lot to me and it will help my channel to grow. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give the video a huge thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family so that YouTube will know that the video is a good one. And guys, if you've not turned the notification bell on, do turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. So in today's episode, we'll be cooking chicken vegetable. So the first thing I'll be doing here is to season my chicken. So I'm now going to cook the vegetable proper. So the first thing I do here is to add the onion, finely chopped onion. So you allow the onion to fry for some time before adding the next ingredients. So after about a minute, oh my, so this is a fresh pepper, finely chopped. If you're not the pepper type, you can skip this. This is Ukpaka. Make sure the Ukpaka you're going to use is already fermented. Don't use a freshly prepared Ukpaka. You can get Ukpaka in any local market if you are in Nigeria. So guys, at this point I'll add the fresh tomatoes that have already sliced. and still give it a stir. Add some seasoning cubes. Add salt. So I'll be adding salt, just little quantity of salt. You can still check for, you can taste to check whether the quantity of salt you added is okay for the quantity you are cooking. The amount of salt depends on the quantity you are cooking. Wow, the taste is yummy. Guys, I would like you to try this and leave a comment below. Tell me in the comment section below how yours turned out. How good was your own?